It's in the game.
Hailings everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Kim K and I would love it if you would subscribe. If you're not new, well, go on, big up yourself. So in today's video, I know I look crazy, but I'm gonna style my hair. I'm going to be trying this viral hairstyle that was made popular by TikTok. So it's the rubber bands in the front, like a rubber band crisscross hairstyle in the front, and then individuals in the back. But instead of individuals, I'm going to be doing some locks. Let me show you guys the locks that I'm going to be using. Alright, so the locks that I'm going to be using today is by, I don't know, but it says Dreadlocks Straight. It seems like a good quality. So they are crochet braids. So I think I'm going to be crocheting them into my hair around the back. I do want to start off by sectioning my hair in the front. My hair has been washed and conditioned and moisturized already. Okay, so now that the front has been sectioned and detangled, I am going to be working on the back now. I am going to be doing the braid pattern. I'm not sure what yet, but I do know that I want a single braid to go across here so that it's seamless. So I'm going to work on the pattern off camera and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. I don't know how it looks, but it feels fine. So what I'm going to do now is take my crochet needle and just stick the hair in between the different braids so that we can have like a seamless transition. So I'm gonna finish this off camera and then we are going to start with the front of the hair. I am going to be using my Fashion 06, this edge tamer thingy wax. This is supposed to help with sleeking down my hair when doing this style.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, this is what we have so far. I like it. I like the energy that it is giving, and I do like the fact that I don't have to be like tearing out my edges to get the crisscross style. I hope you can see that. I did go ahead and do a few, so I have 2 sections left. So we're gonna work on this middle section now. So as you can see, I have been doing 1 2 3 rows, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this one I'm going to do 3, but this one I'm going to do 4. Alright you guys, so I'm actually just starting off by pre-sectioning the hair. I do this in order to stay organized and so that the work can go by fast. So I am pre-sectioning the 4 sections in the front. As you can see, the parts aren't very straight, but them can work with, you know them way them. When you part the ear and it's not straight, but it can work with. Yes, I'm doing that. I am pre-sectioning my hair, and then for the different sections, I'm just twisting it up in order to stay organized. All right, so I did 2 rows off camera. What I did, I just, with those pre-sections, I parted them in 2, and then I placed some of the edge wax or the edge tamer, or you know, the wax on the roots of my hair so that they can be frizz free. And then I begin by braiding down the base of the hair and then eventually turning that braid into a twist. Now the reason why I braided down the base of the hair was because I wanted the hair to be as flat as possible. And I don't know about you, but whenever I do like my twists and so, the base is not very flat and it gets really frizzy easily. So I thought of the method of just braiding down the base and then twisting the ends, because there's no need to braid it all the way down. I mean, when you look at the takedown time, it's going to take a little bit longer to take down braids than it is to take down the twists. So I braided down the base and then I turned that braid into a twist. Now the reason why I'm doing it like this is because I couldn't find my rubber bands to do this style, and I really wanted to do this style right then and there. I mean, I had already started filming, so I needed to get the style done, so I had to improvise. That is why I'm doing it like this. So I hope that if you do try this technique, it can be helpful to you. I mean, when you do your hair like this, it is less tension on your scalp. And I don't know about you, but whenever I do rubber band hairstyles, like my edges really suffer. Like the rubber bands always take the edges away from me, and right now I'm trying to grow out my hair. I'm trying to grow back my edges, which they are growing back slowly but surely. But I really just wanted to do this technique in order to save my edges, save my hairline, and I'm glad I was able to achieve the same desired style and look without using the rubber bands. So let me know in the comment section down below if you do try this hairstyle without the rubber bands, and let me know if you have already tried it without the rubber bands. Let me know how it turned out for you. So at this point, I'm done with all the braids, braid twists, braced, twist braid, I don't know what you call them. And now I am using my crochet needle to kind of do the crisscross method. I am just taking it section by section and crocheting it into each braided section. I mean, I know you can see what it is that I'm doing, and I'm not doing it too tightly because I really want the crisscross to show. So I'm not like pulling on the hair in order for it to be crisscross. I'm just taking my time and doing the crochet method of the crisscross hairstyle. I really did enjoy this method. It was such a good idea, and I'm glad I did this as opposed to doing the rubber band methods. And as you can see, I did achieve the crisscross method. I did achieve the crisscross style without all of those rubber bands pulling on my hair. Like, I am just so happy with this hairstyle. So the crisscross part didn't even take long. The longest part of this section was just the braiding. Alright, you guys, I'm going to do this section off camera, and then I'm going to come back and do the crocheting, and then that should wrap up the style. Alright, so at this point I am sectioning off the front of my hair because I have a different technique that I want to do on the front with those individual twists that are left hanging. So I'm doing the crochet technique now, and you know, it's not really much to show right here. It's just me crocheting the hair into the back of my head. There's no rhyme or rhythm to what it is that I'm doing. I am just crocheting it, just finding a section and putting in a crochet. Now I do believe I only used 1.5 packs for the back because I really wanted it to be full. I didn't want it to be spacey and gappy, but I really do like this hair. If you want to see the area in the stores, buy it because it's good quality locks hair. Alright, so now I'm going to be working on the front, but I really wanted to show you guys how it's looking around the back. It's looking so full, you're not seeing no gaps, you're not seeing none of that. It's just full and nice, and that's what I was going for. So now for the front, I am going to be doing individual locks at the front, crochet method of course. So I am using one lock from the section from the crochet braids, and I'm just using some kinky hair to just wrap all over my hair and all over the locks itself. And this was a great technique to use because it camouflaged the hair so well, and when I'm through, you know, I just rub it in the palm of my hands. And yeah, that's just it for the most part. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you tried this technique. Let me know what you think of the video. Stay tuned for the final results. Don't click off the video yet. I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like at the end of it all. I did accessorize the braid and everything, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you enjoyed this video. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's in the game.